NFT market share battle ramped up between OpenSea and Blur. A side-by-side comparison of the two NFT marketplaces using Nansen data suggests that while Blur has seen rapid growth in volumes, it is still lacking behind OpenSea in terms of number of sales and interacting wallets. Sage D. Young join the most important conversation in crypto and Web3 taking place in Austin, Texas, April the 26th to the 28th. Secure your seat. Join the most important conversation in crypto and Web3 taking place in Austin, Texas, April the 26th to the 28th. Secure your seat. 2023 has been marked with increasing competition in the non-fungible token, NFT, space as different marketplaces fight for creators and collectors. OpenSea has been the frontrunner of the NFT marketplaces since its launch in December 2017. It continues to dominate the NFT scene. Last week it had over 34,000 ETH in trading volume worth some $56 million, according to blockchain data analytics platform Nansen. But competing marketplace Blur has gained considerable momentum among JPEG slingers since its debut in October. Known for its zero trading fees and marketplace floor sweeping, Blur has climbed to become the second largest NFT marketplace in just a couple of months by volume. For the week ending February 6, Blur's NFT volumes stood over 9,200 ETH worth some $15.2 million, representing more than 25% of OpenSea's volume, according to blockchain analytics platform Nansen. Market overview. OpenSea's top 5 NFT projects by volume in the past 30 days include Sewer Pass, Memes by 6,529, Bored Ape Yacht Club, BAYC, Mutant Ape Yacht Club, MAYC, and Checks, VV Edition. In comparison, follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.